In this video, I will show you how to use Chat Memory Manager on n8n. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, I want you to know that the n8n Chat Memory Manager node is a flexible tool for handling chat history in advanced AI workflows. Now, this is especially when you need complex control beyond the standard memory nodes. Now, the main question is when to use Chat Memory Manager, and you should use it when you want to perform advanced memory management, such as checking memory size and reducing it. You should also use it if you want to inject system AI or user messages into the chat history manually to provide extra context to the AI. And you should also use it when you work with an AI agent or chain when a memory node cannot be directly attached. Now, let's get to how to add Chat Memory Manager to your workflow. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Open Instance, and we're going to find the workflow that we want to add the Chat Memory Manager to. Now, once we're on that workflow, we have this simple workflow here. What we can do is let's trigger this manually, and then let's go to, let's add this. No, let's go to this, and let's add Chat Memory Manager. Now, once we click on it, it's going to access, it has three actions that it's going to access to choose from. Now, you're going to choose the get many messages action if you want to retrieve a specific number of previous interactions. And you're going to choose the insert messages if you want to add a new message to the memory. And you can choose to insert messages alongside existing ones or override all messages with new data. And you're going to choose delete messages if you want to clear chat history from memory. Now let's pick one of them. You can also change the operation mode here. And once you go to the settings, you have other settings that you can also toggle. And you can choose to always output data. You can choose to ask to execute once. And anytime it fails, you can choose to tell the memory manager to retry when it fails. And it also has a maximum retry time and a wait time. Now there's this one that says there's an error, you can choose to stop the workflow, continue, or continue using error outputs. Now, if you'd rather not choose any of this, you can put a note here to prompt you that there's an error, and you can click on display notes in flow. Now, when you go back to your canvas, you realize your node manager, your chat memory manager is here, and you can connect that to a chat. Now that's how to use Chat Memory Manager on n8n. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.